In the last session, we discussed how to construct a shift register using RS flip-flop IC74LS279 and a shift register using D flip-flop IC74LS379. In this session, we are going to discuss how to construct a shift register using JK flip-flop IC74LS76.
Construction of a shift register using JK flip-flop IC74LS76. This shift register circuit requires two numbers of IC74LS76 and IC74LS04. Identify the IC74LS76 and IC74LS04, the part numbers printed on the IC using magnifying lens. Identify pin 1 of the IC. It may have a small notch or dot to indicate pin 1. Gently insert the IC into the breadboard in the digital trainer kit, ensuring that each pin goes into a separate hole. Be careful not to bend the pins or force them into the holes. Connect pin 5 of IC74LS76 to plus 5 volt power supply and pin 13 of IC74LS76 to ground respectively. Interconnect both ICs using jumper wires. Connect pin 7 of IC74LS04 to ground and pin 14 of IC74LS04 to plus 5 volt power supply respectively. Connect pins 1 and 6 on both ICs 74LS76 to the clock input. Similarly, connect pin 2 on both ICs 74LS76 for preset input. Connect the serial data input to pin 4 in IC74LS76 and pin 1 in IC74LS04. Connect pin 2 of IC74LS04 to pin 16 in IC74LS76. Connect the pins 15 and 9, 14 and 12 in the first IC 74LS76. Connect the pins 11 and 10 of the first IC to the pins 4 and 16 of the second IC 74LS76 respectively. Connect the pins 15 and 9, 14 and 12 in the second IC 74LS76. Connect the pin 11 and 15 of both ICs 74LS76 to 4 output LEDs as QA, QB, QC and QD respectively, as shown in the circuit diagram. Connect pins 3 and 8 of both ICs 74LS76 to input toggle switch for clear input. Switch on the plus 5 volt DC power supply. Toggle switch in 5 volt position is logic 1 and 0 volt position is logic 0. Apply logic 0 to clear input CR. Observe the status of LEDs QA, QB, QC and QD and record the results in the table of shift registers. Apply logic 1 to clear input CR. Apply serial or data input to the circuit. Apply 1, 0, 0, 1 as serial input to the SIPO register in steps of 1 bit at a time. Give 1 clock pulse at the clock input. Observe the status of LEDs QA, QB, QC and QD and record the output logic levels. Serial input 1, clock pulse 1, output 1 0 0 0. Serial input 0, clock pulse 2, output 0 1 0 0. Serial input 0, clock pulse 3, output 0 0 1 0. Serial input 1, clock pulse 4, output 1 0 0 1. Thus, we have constructed the shift register using JK flip-flop IC74LS76, applied serial data and verified the operation with its truth table. Hope now you will be able to construct a shift register using the RS flip-flop, D flip-flop and JK flip-flop and verify their results.
This concludes this session on how to construct a shift register using RS, D, JK flip-flop and verify the result. Thank you.